welcome to my channel. My name is Pablo and the channel name is KSP. Now, what are we going to do on this channel? We are going to ride the bike in England. I've just bought this bike, so I am genuinely just testing it. See how it feels, see what it sounds like, and whether this is worth it. I mean, I ride and record anyway. I talk to myself or sing to myself, so I might as well talk to you. It gives me something to do. I mainly ride to work and back. When it's sunny, I try and avoid the rain, so you can call me fake biker, not a real one. And I guess I can agree with you. I just don't really like it, to be honest. I've got a car, I can utilise it. Now, the reason I ride to work most of the time is because I can skip traffic. Ha! The reason I drive to work is because I hate the rain. I'm made out of sugar, alright? Now, we are recording. I was just doing a quick check. Hello. I'll tell you one thing since I've been riding. I've only been riding for about a month on a proper bike, and as my proper first bike I bought myself an MT-10, and genuinely I can tell you right now it's the best bike I've ever had. Oh, because it is, to be honest. Some people were laughing at me for getting a MT-10 as my first proper bike. Now, I enjoy it. It's fun, it's easy to ride. I guess it's short from what I'm hearing, and that's why it's so nice. Oh, it's short, and I guess that's why it's so easy to ride. You can throw it around, etc., which is quite nice. And you can skip this bloody traffic, which is even better. Now, I need to work out how to get my visor to stop misting, because I keep having to open it up every time I stop, which is rather annoying. No, there we are. Very busy on the road today, I don't know why. Someone told me that always be ready once you filtered to go, so you're not annoying the driver to our right. We've got a little motorbike there, he's putting his bright lights on. Jesus, bro. Turn them down or something. Yeah, they're just way in. Oh, see, told you. I was distracted. There we are. Hey! Vroom vroom. Now, I've got a quick shifter. But I'm going to start using the clutch for a second, because that first gear when we were starting off was a bit weird. I don't really like it. I don't really understand this eco stuff as well. I've got eco here. What does eco mean? No, I'm definitely not eco, because this bike drinks fuel like there's no tomorrow. I can tell you that for free. I think I've been to the petrol station more than I've ever been to a petrol station before. I wish someone told me that before I bought it, but no one did. And there we are. Yeah, it wants us to go here. Okay. We're going over to my mate who has recently bought a 125. He's planning on doing his advanced course in March. Going over for dinner. We went out for a ride earlier, and I was not judging him. He's watching a YouTube video while driving a taxi. Don't we love it? and that's fine. Notice, but you go fast so quickly, like it's unbelievable. He wants to have a little race with a motorbike. Idiot, idiot. I think I have taken the wrong lane for this, maybe? Oh, we'll see. Hopefully I haven't. Might have to go around the roundabout, but that's okay. It is what it is. Life goes on. Keep us in. I am not going to do that. Why is that person so far back? Mud. Bum 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 bum. Still too far back. I haven't played around the modes yet either. Something to need to check out. Where are you going, bro? Where are you going? Well, you're not going here, and I am coming in here. Ah, there's some friends over there. Boys, 50. I got lost in my own city. Town, city, whatever it is. I still got lost. I don't go this way. That's why. Oh, shit. Ow. I don't know what that was, but that hurt. I hate assists. There we are. There's one. Ah! What do I think about the Yamaha MT-10 as a first big bike? I bloody love it! Honestly, best thing I've ever bought. It had 14,700 miles when I bought it. She is now on somewhat 17,000. Have a click through. Yeah, 17,000 there enough. The quick shifter I love. This comes standard, I think. Yeah, I cannot fault this bike at all. The only thing I would say is a bit thirsty, but you know, happiness has no price, I guess. I did my test a little bit too late because it is getting cold outside, but to be honest, 10 degrees, no wind, no rain, I'm happy with that. The only thing that I hate is people in metal boxes. Honestly, they don't give a flying fuck about you. And to be honest, no one does on the road. Even other bikers, they just don't care. So there we are. Just ride. You see a BMW? We race it. BMW race. BMW race. I'm joking. We don't race BMWs. Yeah, we do. Right, who am I lying to? We race BMWs most of the time when the road allows. These fucking new roundabouts, honestly, I could kill someone. There we are. People don't slow down, that's the problem with them. Right, small little ride to my mates. See, I need to get rid of the habit of sticking my clutch down. I feel like that's a bad habit. It just completely throws off the bike's stability, I guess. Yeah, definitely stability, and it doesn't feel very nice. And I keep doing that on runabouts and stuff, which is no good to anyone. So we definitely need to stop doing that. Oh, there's speed bumps here. I remember these. Hey, this dodgy speed bump one, there's only half a speed bump. Oh well. We move on. Left, right, left, right. There is a proper speed bump. Oops, oops. I see another speed bump. Speed bumpus maximus. Speed bumpus maximus.